Imagine witnessing a flash so brilliant that it could be seen from 1,000 kilometers away, a sight that vividly illustrates the immense power of this bomb. Such a remarkable display not only lights up the sky but also leaves an indelible mark across a vast expanse, reminding us of nature's raw force. To truly understand the gravity of this moment, we must look back at history. The United States' use of atomic bombs in Hiroshima and Nagasaki marked the dawn of nuclear warfare, unleashing unprecedented destruction and an immense loss of life. This somber chapter in our past serves as a powerful lesson on the devastating consequences of such weapons. When we examine the Tsar bomba, its specifications tell a story of sheer physical enormity. Measuring 8 meters long and weighing over 27 tons, this thermonuclear weapon stands as a testament to the scale of human engineering. These astonishing details serve to emphasize its catastrophic capacity and the potential impact it holds. Delving deeper into its design, we find a small plutonium sphere nestled within a cylinder made of uranium. This intricate setup is essential for the fusion reaction, showcasing the complexity behind this weapon's incredible power. It's a remarkable example of how science and technology can create something that challenges our very understanding of destructiveness. To transport such a formidable device, modified Tu-95V bombers were employed, carrying the bomb externally. This adaptation required special design considerations, including a bright white paint to mitigate the blinding effects of the bomb's flash. This attention to detail underscores the careful planning and engineering behind its delivery mechanisms. The detonation process itself involved sophisticated technology. Barometric sensors were vital in triggering the explosion at a safe altitude, paired with a chemical bomb to achieve initial compression. This remarkable orchestration of technology highlights the lengths taken to ensure the bomb's unparalleled impact when unleashed. As the chain reaction within the plutonium atoms unfolds, temperatures soar to an astonishing level, exceeding 100 million degrees Celsius, far hotter than the core of the sun. This incredible heat harnesses the power of an atomic explosion, illustrating the fierce energy that lies within. During this explosion, high-energy gamma rays and X-rays are produced, transforming styrofoam into plasma, which subsequently compresses the fusion cylinder. This intense process sparks further reactions, giving birth to helium and neutrons, a clear display of the science behind this awe-inspiring, yet terrifying event. Despite never being used in combat, the Tsar bomba stands as a stark reminder of the potential for nuclear devastation throughout the Cold War. Its effects were felt over an astounding 160 kilometers away, leaving a lasting impression of what such power can unleash, urging us to reflect on the responsibilities that come with such advancements.